is here. People, the name is Bapak Martin. The age is 67. Already get stroke is 6 months. His hand cannot do like this, and then the hands tidak ngerti. Oh, typical. Okay. Hurt. Coba A. Oke, disetrum. Pak akar itu Tongkat Ali. Oh, keluar semua. Ya kan? Mas. Enggak. Push. Sudah bisa? Coba lagi. Sedikit sakit. Karena darah di sini gumpal, Pak. Terus, yang kuat. It's not easy to move. Nah, yang gede. A. Yang gede. Paksa. Lagi. A. Sakit luar biasa, Pak. Jangan takut. Sebentar aja, sekali aja. Dah. Sekarang A coba. A. Nah, ringan nggak? A. Enak, ringan. 1, 2, 3. Ya. Oke. Terus buka terus. Pull. Ah, udah bisa. Dah. Support. Nah. Oh. Okay, thank you. Before the hand only move like this, now she already can do like this. The hand before already like this, now already before the hands don't have power to get something, now is already. This Tongkat Ali. Tongkat Ali is not only for the strong man, for stamina, but this is can be for therapy, for medicine for the people, is for people stroke, cancer, high pressure, exactly cholesterol, and put the name asam urap. You can take 1 spoon. Aduk. Tangan kanan. Eating now. After therapy, the hand